Doktor chút thiên hal đấy gì nữa mà nó hầu về. Pani check ram ta. To the south lies the foothills of the mighty Atlas mountain range. You see a small estate nestled between a cork oak plantation and some Aleppo pines. You hear the bleating of goats, and the air is rich with gentle scent of juniper and thyme. The property belongs to a wealthy merchant who welcomes you as guests to his home. Supply si cần thế पैसा पनि ngã xuống lắm đó. 아, 살린 것줄래. Ito 가지고 또 많이 미안하네. 그냥 망태 보다 싫어. The merchant moved his hand along when he sees that you want to leave, friendly man. Why the hurry? At least honor my household by staying for a modest meal. This would be the perfect place for a break. Do you want to stay a while? Restilla. Revive. Conductor po siya tamay to. To na ba? Mga tikatsun. Damchong lang. Fuel token lang Trail of paper streets and torn like linen benches leads you straight to the ransacked burial chamber. Inside you find a smashed stone sarcophagus. Dejectedly, you examine what the grave robbers left behind. Klandok tu tanya mah. Cuan ngayon sir. Petroleum. Feel kan neighbor. Good. You cannot miss the Wehrmacht vehicles at the edge of the ruined village, so you approach with care. In the village square, you see a goat herd surrounded by a large unit of German soldiers. You cannot make out what's going on, but the mood is tense. Sanila. But he looked at her and No. Defeated. You do your best, but then the enemy won. Somebody else will have to save Morten from his fate. Saklana there niin heti hän. Tarkkelevainen muotia. No, come on over. Game tar kvällturpan. I see. Game tar på Masami Jalojun hospitalized vector din dagen. Ja. I see. Siinä sitä ihan tuolla mulla on right click mutta kanhan shot right down.
In a provincial backwater.
Selamat parpar. From the signs of force entering the stone slab at entrance, you can tell that you are not the first to set foot in this burial chamber. Nevertheless, you cannot help feeling vaguely disappointed when you see the broken stone lid next to the sarcophagus. Nice. The ancient building in front of you has taken some rough treatment. Decorative elements have been thrown carelessly on the floor. The door has been forced open. Could the perpetrator still be inside the temple? A short time later, you sneak up on a squad of soldiers. They remain oblivious to your approach as they are tapping on the walls of the temple's main hall. Ambushilani meidän. Pakhatpa ni Pathumpalli. Hunker down into it. Over what's the name money can? Warning shots that you please Scan non-nickel area to observe during the next turn. Any enemy moving in this area will receive a warning shot, stopping their movement. Warning shots will not deal any damage. Request to very rare. Let's go thằng thấy này mà trả lâu ba. Khatna lâu. سواء ما في ردة تأثير بقى عندك شيء تركب مع Tech neighboring target with but then it's all you need. Kapag miss. And to her. Ahai, det är så jävla... Så bommar det inga i mig. Ai, hej så okej mot det. Aprila. Pakat lama. Ito po ta. Shotgun to naman po. Golden pocket watch. Shall take. Car fee. Shotgun cho chị con này kan tlak lo kila. Cloud tắm xuống lâu và smooth på arch lại pia này ổn buồn mà cái chân bị bắt cái gì là thành cái làm gì trong it is resting. Resting things you can la chala. The water is well shaded and even you come upon a fortified German military camp with barbed wire, sandbags, and machine gun nests. The place is like a small fortress at the edge of the camp. You see a fuel depot and a small fleet of vehicles. In the middle of the camp you see several towering radio antennas. There's no doubt about it. You have come across a local German headquarters. Sneaking into this well-guarded complex seems like a hopeless endeavor. You just got to park your team that's supposed to be mailbox endeavor. What the heck? Đâu rồi? 저희가 럭피에 매진 trap면 Sage khatni thumlinga paruk mش وي pathum lam shing pathum la la thai shim shimang ta ma ja kung nam na hawen sin photilla chunglam angin pakhat wi pakhat oma nata machine pakhat wi pakhat vi har inte någon annan tani klan tweet hero vi ser Bạn nhìn thấy ta sinh hoạt thiệt rồi bọc à lan xét lộ mà sinh không là uy bạc hạt lộ mà cái uy bạc hạt thì vẫn sụp hết rồi à sụp thật chứ kan besing patni chenam ta mi patuman thia besing pati to poka win nok per chani phat zela bật lò motor orang kan suk pai lok ngai này bảo họ pai dấu chị á pai mất thật luôn đấy ha kapala rồi xí lại cặp truyện à là cặp lâu rồi When the last shot has died away, you search the camp, you find a stack of files in the rears, and you leaf urgently through the documents. When one in particular catches your eye. Secret dossier, re Morton Lambert. Lambert is known to assess offense with connections to hostile intelligence agencies. We assume that he is behind the theft of the Armenian collection from a Casablanca office. For this reason, we have obtained Lambert for further questioning. Armenian trailer honga kan don ne chinawa kutkor silai mu bomb supplies granite in heat na ganyan Danis Frobisha tumigan sini seperti apa Katrina. Cần lẽ phật này là Using the surrounding rocks as cover, you make your way up to the enemy camp. A large number of German soldiers have begun excavations here. They are uncovering a buried temple entrance. You debate whether to risk an attack. Open fire! Uiamlätä Uipalille Machine Patum. Okay. Kattoi lombokseen. Så går vi portla så en till med i bilen idag. We Batum, that's the last one. We Bali. Potentigen. Varo kapu, tsatsata. Padam czepmy. Gretile, mikä tänne? Unlock there. Nice. Se on uippa. Niin on tää. Bravery, India, no turma. Roger Putman. Tluang 推偏没 box 没那种。 violate the part. After defeating enemies, you explore the temple. What were the Germans looking for here? You soon find a deep shaft that leads into the interior of the ancient building. You lower yourselves on ropes. After a brief underground exploration, you reach a chamber decorated with hieroglyphs and wall drawings. The Germans have smashed various stone chests and have begun setting up their metal crates. However, they have not yet managed to transport their find. Ooh. Now hold on, Emma. Varnish stiletto, some there. Silken handkerchief. Monocle. Medium ammo box. Car fuel. Nice. The flickering glow of your torches fills the crooked altar room with restless shadows. You take a look around the vault, but you cannot find anything of importance, so you continue your journey. The buildings ahead of you are part of a simple supply station. If you listen up, if you can pay for it. Zerkin gas baruk gas on patum kan ya. Tisong ka tu na pat kan khel thei chil chulom ni se azom na kan de chok lenga le pe kam ne thor don ne